Gather together, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, gather together. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and unpack its meaning and usage. Gather together is a phrase that combines two words, gather and together. At its core, gather means to bring or come into a group, and together emphasizes the idea of unity or closeness. When we use this phrase, we're often talking about bringing people or things into one place or into a group. It's a phrase that conveys not just the action of assembling, but also a sense of community and togetherness. Let's look at some examples to understand how gather together is used. 1. Social context. Let's gather together at the park for a picnic. Here, it means inviting people to come to one place for a social event. 2. Work context. We need to gather together all the documents for the meeting. This implies collecting various items into one place. 3. Emotional context. In times of difficulty, we gather together to support each other. This shows the phrase being used to describe people uniting emotionally or physically for support. A common misconception is that gather together is redundant because gather already implies coming together. However, adding together strengthens the idea of unity and is a stylistic choice in English to emphasize the collective aspect of the action. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, gather together. Remember, it's all about bringing people or things into one group, emphasizing unity and community. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing more interesting English phrases with you in our future videos.